Once again, congratulations, Mr. Escondon. It recognizes their dedication, creativity, and commitment, providing additional guidance, students learning experiences beyond their classroom instruction.
Yeah. Now, Lolita, she,
Another recipient of the same award, Myron J. Ablante.
Master, Vision 2. Hello, Syrian, we have Bob Arlene S. Villaes. And singer, and we have Mr. Mark Dave V. Avenido.
We also have Ma'am Carol Faith A. Escudero.
Ay, mga coordinator niya, tani. Coordinatorship.
Hello, Syrian, we have Carlos D. Palito.
Okay, sama sa Pilipino.
We also have Ma'am Julita Dives Manos. Arby June Blando.
B. Intriga.
We also have Ma'am Leia B. Comidor.
We will now move up to the stage. Now, Shine Vanessa F. Hernandez.
Next, we have Ma'am Annalisa S. Hempesa.
Another recipient.
Alam mo ito na ano di ay na-record. Kanina pa naman ko na wala din na-record, Rich! Wala mo ko kay Ladra Ice, Junrilo di ay si Barbarona. Pero ano pa? Before ka gusto rin si Bumingin na piano. Ay, after earning a warning ka sa tumagot na kayo ka. Ano lang? Before ka, ay after ka warning sa landing and service. Tumagot ka lang.
sino ba dito ang narito ngayon tumanggap ng kanilang mga awards para magyabang at para ipagyabang ang sarili, para makitang nakalamang sa iba? Siguro, yung pinuti mo na crown, basta mo, minahinay na mo pa siya kasiga, at ayak na siya, if the intention would be like that. Because it appears when a person chooses kindness over pride, service over recognition, and honor over convenience. Perhaps to you, yung award sa inyo, because you've reached 10 years in service, or 15 years in service, or 25 years in service. But have you also reflect, or have you also traveled back between the time you joined DepEd up to this number of years in your service? When was the time that you chose service over recognition and honor over convenience? Kung narating nyo ang mga taon na ito, those might have
Years of service.
Serving the Department of Education for 30 years now. Ladies and gentlemen, our next awardee, we have Ma'am Gina M. Bigyabas, Head Teacher 6.
The same award we have now Aileen E. Isidro, Master Teacher 1, 30 years of service.
Our next recipient is honored that now Mercedita A. Tino, Master Teacher 2, 30 years of service.
Please make way for our next awardee. We have none less than Ma'am Leia M. Panya, PhD, School Principal for 30 years of service.
Ladies and gentlemen, proceeding to the next awardee. For 31 years now, ladies and gentlemen, we have Ma'am Imelda S. Lusada, Teacher 2.
Our next awardee is Ma'am Leonora G. Riel, Teacher 3, 31 years in service.
Ladies and gentlemen, please make way for next awardee. And she is Ma'am Elsa M. Laguna, Teacher 3, 31 years of service.
Another dedicated awardee we have Ma'am Joanne B. Galarion, PhD, Cluster 4, PSDS, 31 years of service.
We are now down to our two remaining awardees. Our next awardee serves the department for 30 years now, 33 years now. Ladies and gentlemen, Rizal Moga. She serves the department for... Yes.
Now let's proceed
Happy birthday, Ma'am Leia. Happy birthday, Ma'am Leia. Happy birthday from Blessing Ramadieno and
Liga, Team Españas.
Ma'am Leia, happy birthday. Remember you.
We also have from the grade 10 level,
With their grade level head, Sir June Raymond San Felipe.
Master Ma'am Leia.
Ladies and gentlemen,